Hello, in front of me I've got NFL 26. In this video I'll show you how to resign players in franchise mode. In the beginning, let's go to franchise mode and go to GM's office. Find resign players. And here we've got the players that are on the last year of the contract. You can find income, signing bonus, and statistics of the player. Then you can go to player card. You can release trade away, add to trade block, or if available, you can reassign the player. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.